Yeah. Right, today I'm going to show you how to actually put a breather filter over your turbo blow-off valve, reset valve. Really easy. I've already undone my clips there. So all you really need to do is pull this one off your reset, pull this one off, and then you come to here. Oh, and you pull that one off, pull that one, so then you get rid of them pipes. You get your filter. This is a 29mm ram air filter. I'll link the description in the. I'll link it in the description below where I got it from. I just got it from eBay at $4.99. Just whack it over there. Tighten up your jubilee. Like so. Mine's gone a bit crooked. Hang on. Apologies for the audio as well, by the way. I'm just recovering from man flu. And my 9-year-old son is actually recording this rather than me holding the camera. It just makes it a lot more easier. So once that's on there, you get your bung. I'm just going to use this bung in, and you basically just cover this one up. I'll tidy all that up afterwards, and basically you just put a bung in there, or some people use bottle caps, and then just tied it round with a bit of electrical tape, and that's it. And then you just go over to your car. You have to stay there.